Why does foam inserts are so important for customers? Because this is a kind of marketing activity. So you can choose your color, your material, or your design. So it could be a great alternative for your marketing issues. We can support you.
You may also add flock fabric and change the color for the surface. Did you see?
How do you use foam inserts as organizer? We are using foam insert organizer in cases. So let me show you. According to your quantity, our minimum order quantity could be 100 or 200 pieces. It could be more competitive because we are adding also custom cost or logistic cost or design cost or something else. We would like to work with you B2B projects.